So in this video, I will walk you guys step by step on how to enroll your brand under Amazon Brand Registry, what are the requirements to get enrolled for Amazon Brand Registry, and how and what is the time frame to get registered. And I will also walk you guys through the features and benefits that you get along with registering your brand in Amazon Brand Registry. So before beginning the video, I want to just clarify a few things. So many beginner Amazon sellers who are just starting out and who are just in the phase of product research and will be launching their products in upcoming few months, they ask me that do I need a trademark for my brand name, and do I need branded packaging in order to sell my products, and do I need to enroll for Amazon Brand Registry, and is it compulsory to get all of this in order to sell Amazon FBA? And my answer to them always remains the same. So I generally tell them that you do not need a trademarked brand, and even you do not need to get yourself registered for Amazon Brand Registry, and you do not need a branded packaging in order to sell on Amazon FBA. So what you can do is you can just send your product logo, your brand logo to your factory and ask them to use label stickers and put them into the product package. And what generally happens is if you ask your factory or supplier to do customized packaging, then they would not agree if your quantity is very less, and they would generally give you a minimum order quantity of 500 to 1000 pieces to get your customized packaging. And just giving your brand logo to your supplier and asking them to use stickers in the product package will be enough. And even for my case, in the first two products that I have already shown you, the laptop stand and the bed rail, I have used only the stickers in the product package, and that worked for me. So let's jump to the video and show you step by step how to enroll for brand registry. Now before enrolling for brand registry, I want to let's check what are the features and benefits that you get along with brand registry. So first, you get the benefit of deleting or removing any hijackers from your listing. So no other seller can sell on your listing, and you will be the only seller that can sell this type of products under your brand name. And if you get to find that some other seller is selling on your listing and also they have a lower price, so that they have owned the buy box, and now when customers are ordering, they are getting the order, then what you can do is you can just complain to Amazon Brand Registry support, and they will make sure the seller is removed from your listing. And third and second point is, the second benefit that you get along with brand registry is no one can sell under your brand name. So if anyone tries to list any product under your brand name and uses your brand name, then they can't do that. And if you find someone using your brand name and selling products, then you can just complain to Amazon Brand Registry support, and they will remove that listing for you. The third thing that you get along with Amazon Brand Registry is you get Amazon Brand Registry support, which is very dedicated to brand registry, and they're very responsive, and if you submit any ticket or cases to them, they resolve your case very quickly, and they are far more professional than the support that you get along with Sales Central account. So the fourth thing that is you get along with brand registry support is you get the access to A+ content, which is also known as enhanced brand content. Now I will show you in the screen what that looks like. So let's jump to the screen so that I can show you the later benefits and features that you get along with brand registry. So the fourth benefit that you get after enrolling for brand registry is you can add A+ content, which is also known as enhanced brand content. So this here you can see this product is already enrolled for brand registry, as they have added enhanced brand content in their listing. So this type of content which shows below the bullet points are called enhanced brand content. There you can see you can add multiple images, add some copies, and you can also add your brand story here. And the fifth benefit that you get along with enrolling for brand registry is you can use and upload a product for video. So here you can see this brand had used this product video in the listing. So after getting your brand registered under a brand registry, then you can just upload get a product video and upload it into your YouTube channel and share the link with brand registry support team, and they will upload your product video in 1 or 2 working days. The next benefit that you get along with brand registry is you are able to create your own brand's store. So it is completely different from Amazon product listing, and it is a separate page Here you can see Empow, it is a brand which sells headphones. So they have created their brand store. Now after you get enrolled, you get enrolled to a brand registry, then you can also use this feature. So here you can see you can add all your products here, and it will be a separate, and it will be like a website for your brand. So it is a separate store and it is completely different from your product listing. Here you can see different images, different products showcased here. And the next benefit that you get along with Amazon brand registry is you can use a new ads feature which is called sponsored brands. So sponsored brands are a type of ad in which it appears, you will target some keywords, and when customer searches that keyword, it will appear at the top of the search result below the header. So here you can see some examples of the ads that, so when you use these sponsored brands, these are called headline search ads. So it appears at the very top, and when someone clicks on this ad, they are guided to your brand store, or you can also create a separate store that will consist a minimum 3 products. So Amazon suggests to add minimum 3 products to so that when customers click on your headline search ad, they are landed on a page, and in that page all the 3 products that you have chosen are shown there. So you get the benefit of this also after enrolling yourself for Amazon brand registry. Next, you also get access to any new features that is Amazon launching. So like in Amazon.com, Amazon just launched their new feature which is called sponsored displays. So it is in beta mode right now, and Amazon had given access to all the brand brand registered sellers in Amazon.com to use this ad type. This is also a type of ad that you can run, and hopefully in couple of weeks or months, Amazon.in sellers who are brand registered will also get access to this and will get access to try these sponsored displays. Let me show you how this appears. So this is called sponsored displays, and it is also tied up with other website, other networks. And as these are new ad types, so the cost per click will be very low. The next benefit that you get along with the brand registry is this new feature. So the next feature that you get along with Amazon brand registry is you get access to their tool Brand Analytics, in which you get multiple features, like you can search your competitors keywords, in which you can just put your competitor's ASI in here and it will give the keywords in which your competitor's product is getting sales and converting for that keyword. And in this feature you can use what are the amount of repeated customers that are coming to your brand, and this feature is used to analyze customers are buying what after buying your product. So it is basically tells customers that purchase your product also purchase another product. So it is also a good place where you can find good bundling items, bundling ideas. And in this item comparison and alternative purchase behavior, you can analyze that after customers visiting your product listing, and instead of purchasing your product, they are purchasing another product, then you can track exactly what product are customers buying without jumping from your listing, and you can target that ASIN in product targeting, and then you can take some sales from there and also increase your conversion rate. And the next feature you get is called transparency program. So it is basically more beneficial for big brands like Nike or Adidas, in which they have multiple sellers. So basically what happens in this is when one brand is registered enrolled for transparency program, then they get some unique codes, and they have to stick that code on their products. And if someone sells any counterfeit product, and suppose any seller sells a counterfeit product and send that product to customer, and before sending this to customer, they have to the courier guy that comes to take the pickup, they scans the code, and if the code doesn't match with the transparency code, then the product isn't picked up. Or if the product is sent to Amazon fulfillment center and the code is not as per the transparency code, then the product is destroyed. So it is a good option to neglect and to delete any counterfeit sellers. So now let's take the what are the requirements for getting Amazon brand registry. So first, for getting Amazon brand registry, you need a trademarked brand. So and then you need a product packaging with your logo. So that's mainly the things that you need for brand registry. Now let me tell you what are the steps to get your brand names trademark registered. So for registering your trademark, you have to first search your brand name if it is available or already trademarked by any other authority. So for that, you have to know your brand name and also know the class. So what is class? Class is basically the category in which your brand exists. So let me show you how many classes are there. So you can find about the class in just for searching on Google. Here you can see it shows the class and the categories. So here you can see furniture, mirror, picture frames, class 20, and class 21 is household or kitchen utensils. So if you are selling on kitchen utensils or kitchen products, then class 29 will be your. So my brand is registered under class 21. So let me show you. So if someone's brand is already registered and you search the brand name, then it should show like this. So here you can see my trademark is registered, so it is showing like this. And if your brand name is already taken, then something will appear here, and if it is not taken for this class, then it will appear like no records found. And after checking that if that your trademark is not registered, you have to just find a law firm that can register trademark. So when I filed my trademark registration, I used hubco.in, and let me show you. Here you can see trademark registration. So they charged me around 6,000 rupees for getting the trademark registration. So here you can see you can get your trademark registered in 6,000 rupees only, and it will take around 6 months to 1 year to get your trademark registered. And after getting your trademark registered, you can then start the process of brand registry. So let me show you exactly how to start enrolling for brand registry. So after you get your brand registered and your trademark registered, then you have to just come here and click get started. Enroll. So you have to choose a country. So I will choose India. So here you can see it says that I have already one brand enrolled. So I will enroll a new brand, and for your case it will appear as 0. So do your products and packaging have a permanent affixed brand name and logo? So we will click yes. Do you intend to enroll more than 10 brands in brand registry? So if you intended to sell more than 10 brands in one seller central account, then you can click here yes. I will click no. You will enter your brand name here, your brand name here. So you have to then click your trademark type. So for major cases you will get a word mark. So you can just ask your law firm and ask them that the logo that you have prepared falls under which category. Does it fall under word mark or design mark? So then choose here the type, and then you have to click here your trademark registration number. So this is the application number, and you will get it when your trademark is registered. And you have to click your trademark office here. It will be India. Then you have to click next. So after clicking that, they will ask you some questions like, do you have UPC, ISBNs, ENS and other GTINs? So we have UPCs, so we'll click here and select the category of your product. So you will select the category in which you have got your trademark registered. So I have got for home and kitchen. If you sell your products online, let us know where. So if you sell in your website or somewhere else, then you can give your website here. Do your brand have an existing seller or vendor relationship with Amazon? So you will click here seller and give your seller account details here, seller email address here. And then, does your brand manufactures products? You will click yes. Does your brand sell to distributors? You can click according to your circumstances. Do your distributors sales on Amazon? So for my case it's no. You can choose according to your case. Does your brand license trademarks to other manufacturers products associated with your intellectual property? So do you sell licenses to use your brand name and sell your products? So in majority cases it will be no. Where are your brand's product manufactured? So you will click here where the manufacturing place is. I will submit here India and China. Where are your brand's product distributed? So it will be India. Then you have to just do is submit your application. So then your application will be submitted, and after submitting this application, they may ask you to submit one photograph of your product in which your brand logo will be affixed. So you can just use one sticker label and stick it on your product on any package. And after this application is submitted, it will take around 2 or 3 days, if everything is all right, to get your application processed. And then they will update you about your next step, and you can use your brand features. So in India it takes around 6 months to 1 year to get your trademark registered, but in Amazon.com, Amazon had newly launched one features called Amazon IP Accelerator. So in which you can use the brand features. Soon after you get reached, you submit the application for trademark, and you have to submit the application for registering trademark through the law firm that Amazon suggests. And after you submit the application and pay to the law firm, then within 1 or 2 weeks you can use the brand feature. And suppose anything happens, like your trademark doesn't get registered, then your feature will be taken from your hand. So here you can see trusted intellectual property lawyer, faster access to brand protections. Amazon provides business using IP Accelerator, which access to brand protections and brand building feature in Amazon store to better protect and grow their brand months or even years before their trademark registration officially issues. So officially, before getting your trademark registered, you can use the brand features. So I have asked the support team, brand registry support team, if this same feature is available in India or not, and let me show you what they told. IP law firms that provide high quality trademark services. Law firm currently IP Accelerator is based in the US and focused on filing US trademark application. They can serve clients in multiple languages. We are looking forward to expand IP Accelerator to law firms and trademark offices in other countries. So they are telling that this facility will be soon available to our country also. So you can soon see this facility in Amazon.in also, and you can also register your brand and use the brand features in less than 2 weeks. So that's all for this video. Hope you like this video, and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel in order to get more updates on Amazon and similar step-by-step videos. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.